In this video, we will show you how to make beautiful animated slides PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so let's start the video. Click on right button, select gradient fill, select color, select liner from present gradients. Go to insert, click on shapes, select rectangle. Drag it, width size 8.45 cm. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to insert, click on shapes, select triangle. Click on rotate, select right 90 degree, size 2 cm and 3 cm. Place here, select both, go to format, select union from merge shape. Go to shadow, select this shadow from present and increase size, then close. Press Ctrl D for duplicate, select color from shape fill, place here, click on right button, send to back, duplicate, select color from shape fill, click on right button, send to back, duplicate, select color from shape fill, click on right button, send to back. I am copying icons from previous slide and paste here. Adjust one by one. Select all 4 icons. Go to format, increase size, then align, distribute horizontally and distribute vertically. Go to insert, click on text box, draw a text box, type here dear. Select and pick a new font for your text. Make it bold and increase size. Select color. Go to insert, click on text box, type some description about deer and center your content. Select both text box, go to format, align center and press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right side. Type camel here. Go to home, select color and write some description about camel here. Select both text box and press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right side. Type here lion and change the color and write some description about lion here. Select both text box, align center. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right side. Write horse here. Change the color from text field. Select text box, add some description about horse here and press Ctrl G. Group them. Do it for all. Select one by one and send to back. Click on slide, click on right button and duplicate the slide. Select groups one by one and set like this. Select all and move them outside the slide. Go to insert, select border style, right here 4. Go to home, pick a new font as per your choice. Make it bold, increase font size, change the color, duplicate, decrease size, right here slides and change the color. Select both text box, copy it, go to first slide and paste it and set it outside the slide like this. Select second slide and drag it to up. Select both slide, Go to Transition and select Morph. Now click on Slide Show and see. So, see how exciting animation we have created. If you like this video, then please like it, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.